What's good, YouTube? Out here just messing around with the car. Was gonna start some more body work, but don't really feel like it. Gonna do is a little more cleaning up just on the breather, really. Need to line these fenders up. But really what I wanted to show y'all, my tips that came in last week sometime. I just threw them on now. I'm gonna throw a weld on there. They on there, but just with the screws. So I'm gonna throw a weld on them. Yeah, I got both of them on there. Just threw them on real quick. Nice and flush. Yeah, just wanted to show y'all that. Was gonna hook up the push start. That's what I came out here really to do, hook up the push start. But I think I'm gonna wait till I snatch the dash down. It'd be a lot easier to get to the wires. So changed my mind on that. But yeah, just out here messing around, man. Nothing major. I still gotta take that block out and all that. Oh, and dude played me. Supposed to be coming over here helping me do my springs and shocks Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So his loss. I'm gonna pay the shop right up the street. $100 gone, so they can do it. So it is what it is with that. All right, then YouTube, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Wanted to show y'all that. No real updates or nothing like that. My phone ain't ring, but still got this back there. The console, y'all can't even see it. The dash or whatever is back there. Then the center console is over there. I'm gonna reprime that. But I gotta take this dash down anyway, so I'm gonna do that. Try to get my dash painted first and then take it down. Alright, YouTube. Oh, what I meant when I was talking about them drain plugs was leaking. It was just leaking because I ain't got the hoses going out. All right then.